What's good, YouTube? I know it's been quite some time, and here's a little quick life update. We moved. We recently got a new car, and I don't know if you guys know or not, but I also got engaged. I had to do it that close because my nails are not done, but I figured right now would be the best time to do a prank. It's been a while since we did a prank. It's been a while. I'm currently cleaning. Let me show you guys. I've been cleaning, like just did the laundry. Just, hold on one second, let me flip the camera. Just swept and mopped my floors. Yes, everything's nice. Just did this. I just gotta scrub inside of here, in there, my bathtub. Over here, I just did we just re-upped on some necessities. I like to go around and I wipe off every single door handle. Just did I know we have a lot of stuff back there to put away still, but hi, Pickles.
Okay.
I think I'm doing a YouTube video.
Oh, you already?
Yeah.
I thought you were streaming.
No, I'm just doing a little video of me cleaning and all that. Do the toilet and everything else. So yeah, today's a deep clean day. Hi, honey. Oh, you're so tight. Say hello, huh? Hello. At some point while I'm cleaning, I'm gonna pretend like I'm scrubbing this. I'm gonna tell him that my ring fell down the drain. Bro, look how beautiful this ring is. He did so amazing. Anyways, I'm gonna tell him that it fell down the drain, and let's see what he does. What did you want to get? Oh my God, Beaks! Babe!
Okay, how is your stomach feeling?
Fine. My ring fell.
What happened? Huh?
My ring fell.
Where?
It fell. It fell.
Okay, turn the water off. In here?
Yes.
Oh my God. Why are you wearing a ring?
I forgot. I was just cleaning. Oh my gosh. Do you feel it?
No, I feel your hair. Looks like the ring was down here.
Oh my God, that's a lot of hair. I feel like that would have stopped it from dropping though, right?
I don't see your ring.
Oh my God, bro. No.
Why are you wearing your ring while cleaning? What's the point of that?
I forgot.
How did you forget?
Babe, because I just got to it. I wasn't even thinking.
So whose fault is that?
I mean, it's my fault.
Well, I don't know what to say, man. I don't feel it.
Was there insurance on it?
Yes, there's insurance on it, but what is the insurance gonna do?
Does it replace it?
If it's damaged or something.
I'm sorry. Damn, that's a lot of hair.
It's pretty gross. I don't feel it, man. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know. I don't feel it. It's over with. Oh, you're gonna have to wait because I'm not buying another one. Not recent, not anytime soon, to be honest. It's okay. Figure it out. Just know that you're engaged. What is all this crap on there?
That's so.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't feel it. It's over with. I'll just get another one, but you're just gonna have to wait. I don't know. I'll call insurance.
Could we call like a plumber or something? Or do you think it's over with?
Babe, I swear I don't feel it.
I didn't want another one.
Well, should have thought about that before you put it on. There's nothing you can do now. It's over with. I swear I didn't feel it.
So am I single?
No, you're engaged. Okay? You're engaged.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
There's no ring on this finger now.
Oh. Well. We can draw one. We'll tattoo one.
I'm gonna tattoo a ring on. Wait, can you help me?
What?
Can you put this ring on my finger? It's been a minute, huh?
No.
I got you. Push it in there. Push it in there. Just push it. Push it.
Break your
Push
finger.
it.
I don't want to break
Push it in there.
That's so tight.
You just push it in there. Just push it. Push it in there.
Ruined my shirt, man. Dang.
Push it in there.
Babe, you're gonna lose blood circulation. It's over with.
Hold this. Bam.
Am I single? Am I single?
I don't think so. We engaged. Sorry, I'm gonna finish cleaning. I'll take my ring off though. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm gonna just take this little quick time to say I did want to switch up some stuff on my channel and make it more girlier. So I do want to do like makeup looks and skincare, because I know a lot of you guys always ask me about my skin, eyeliner tutorials, how I do my like brush brow looks, all that stuff. So if there's like any girls, even guys, because I know some guys also like to, you know, take care of themselves and get on skincare routines and all that. If you guys have any suggestions on like what I should do next, please comment that down below. I could use all the help to get some more fresh ideas for my channel. So anything you guys want to see, like food reviews, things like that, if there's specific places you guys want me to try, certain cultural foods you guys want me to try, I'm down to do that. Just let me know what you guys want to see and I'm down to do it, like whatever you guys want me to do. Also, like, it's so crazy that we've been doing YouTube for this long and we built up an entire little community. And I'm so grateful for that. But make sure you guys also catch me on Twitch, because I'm streaming like every single day. So catch me on Twitch. Make sure you guys follow me. It's ValentineX_O. Go follow me on Twitch. We do giveaways. We have a great time. We play games together. We react to stuff. All that good stuff. So go and follow me on Twitch too. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 넌 겨울. Yeah, girl you cold blood. Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero. 폭설한 게 chill there. 꿈에도 I wasn't aware. 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게 참 친절해.